and check on your sister?
We had asked because we had asked our dad to go and check on her
And where was your dad residing at that time?
in Northern Valley.
So how many hours before your dad could get to Miss Milete's house to check on her?
I'm not sure exactly how many hours. It's an hour,
Couple hours.
maybe an hour. Yeah, a couple hours.
Did you call Mr. Millete in the morning of that Saturday to ask him if Miss Millete had, you know,
No, I don't remember calling him.
you don't remember calling him?
No.
Did you call your father at what time on Saturday?
This wasn't on direct.
I don't remember. I don't remember if I called him.
But you spoke to your father though personally, right? You spoke to your father personally to come and check on Maya that Saturday.
It wasn't me.
You just said
No,
I
it was not me that spoke to my father to check him on.
three
Who
more
did call
questions.
your father? Who called your father?
Objection hearsay.
It's the same. It's
Ah!
relevance. It's the same.
What time did your father arrive at the Millete residence?
Do you know?
I don't-
There.
I was not there.
You don't know what time they arrived.
I don't know.
Just
So when you arrived at the Millete residence on January 9, 2021, was your father and mother there?
No, they had already left.
So they arrived and left.
sad.
Yes.
Did your brother JP go to the Millete residence on that day, January 9, 2021?
No.
When you arrived at the Millete residence on January 9, 2021, who was in the house?
It was Larry and the kids.
Did you see Larry's auntie and uncle in the house?
No.
So when you arrived, it was only you, Larry, and the two children.
You just said that.
Next question.
You mentioned about the refrigerator being pulled off of the wall. Do you recall that?
Yes.
There were two refrigerators, you said, right?
Yes.
And they were pulled how many feet or yards away from the wall that they were originally installed?
I'd say a few feet.
Is 2 feet?
He said a few.
2, 3 feet maybe.
And both refrigerators were in
I'm
that
looking at you guys.
position being pulled out of their original
Yes.
installment.
Oh,
And
Let me clear something out for myself. Did this require any? Did it appear as if it was damaging the cabinetry by pulling out the refrigerators?
I'm sorry, I don't understand you, Honor.
Were the fridges embedded in cabinets, or was it simply just pulled away from a wall without causing any type of physical damage?
Yeah, just pull away from the wall.
right. Because oh shoot, I just lost my place. Because the attorney asked if they were pulled off, not pulled out. So yes, that was confusing. I just lost my place here. Sorry, almost done. Sorry about that. I'm starting to lose it with these questions. So for the next videos, I will have calmed down. I'm about ready to lose it with her.
position being pulled out of their original
Yes.
installment. And
Let me clear something out for myself. Did this require any? Did it appear as if it was damaging the cabinetry by pulling out the refrigerators?
I'm sorry, I don't understand you, Honor.
Were the fridges embedded in cabinets, or was it simply just pulled away from a wall without causing any type of physical damage?
Yeah, just pull away from the wall.
you didn't see any damage to the kitchen when you arrived there, right? On January 9, 2021.
I didn't notice anything damaged.
But did it concern you that those refrigerators were not in place?
Yeah.
I wouldn't say it was a concern. It was more just weird.
So you didn't give it any meaning that would alert you that something bad happened in that house.
Can you repeat the question?
Was there anything, you arrived there, did you immediately go upstairs in the bedroom to check on your sister?
Could you repeat the question? Then she totally changes the subject. I mean,
No,
Why is that?
because that time we were told that she was not there anymore.
So you didn't go upstairs on, they told you she's not in the house.
Mhm.
Who told you that?
I'll allow for the effect on the listener, even if it isn't.
I remember. I think it was Larry that told me that. Told us that.
You believed him, right?
At that time, yes.
And you asked him where your sister was?
Yes, I asked.
And the response from Mr. Millete?
He said, I don't know. Maybe she went for a hike.
And that was about, what, 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock in the evening?
I think it was soon earlier than that.
3 in the afternoon?
Yeah, maybe. Yes. Maybe just a little after 1. I can't remember exactly.
So when your father and your mother arrived at Mr. Milete's house, then left, did you, during all the time that they were inside the Milete's house, did they call you to tell you that Miss Millete was not there?
Objection relevant.
I'll be here say.
And how long did you stay in the Millete residence on January the 9th, 2021?
I think almost midnight.
Were you there when the officers from the Chula Vista Police Department arrived?
No, I was not.
So you arrived about 3 p.m. approximately.
she said, he
So
said,
from 3 to 12
he just said
midnight,
one.
correct? You were there in the residence.
Roughly, yeah, midnight. I'm not sure if it was midnight.
So that's about roughly
Late
9
night.
hours.
Yes.
So during the 9 hours, you were there with Mr. Millete and the 3 kids only?
No.
So who else arrived at the house while you were there during that 9 hours?
My wife was there, and my sister Mary Grace and Richard.
What time did they arrive?
Objection vague and relevant.
Sustained relevance.
So your wife arrived,
No, we came together.
you came together.
Yes.
Okay.
So the only thing I can guess that she would ask him what time Mary Chris arrived is because if Mary Chris said she arrived at a particular time and he said something different, she can make some kind of case about it. But that is not going to help in a preliminary hearing because that is not what's at issue. Their memory of what time they arrived in the afternoon on the 9th. That's not the issue. This is just really mundane questioning and irritating.
And then your sister Jane arrived.
Mary Grace.
Mary Grace arrived. What time did Miss?
Counsel, I don't see the relevance
Okay.
behind when these
All
other individuals arrived. I've heard from another witness that you were there.
Okay. Let me
And
just,
by all accounts, she's not there in the home at this time.
let me just,
Not relevant when other people got there. She doesn't be there.
And the way she shuffles her papers, especially while the judge is speaking, is kind of disrespectful in my opinion. Yeah. He wasn't prepared.
Yana. I think that's all. Thank you.
Oh,
Any questions on the
Yeah.
maybe we say excuse?
Yes.
All right, sir. Thank you very much. That completes your testimony.
Thank you, Your Honor.
you guys, that was awful. That was really. Can you imagine? You're looking for your sister. You're talking about your sister being missing. You're talking about the account of when you were looking for her, desperate. And this is the kind of questioning you get from the defense attorney. It is just the patience that Maya's family has shown in court is just outstanding. I wouldn't have been able to do it. I am not that good of a person. I think this is.
Monday's a holiday, right? Okay. Court's in recess.
So that ends day 3 in the preliminary hearing of California versus Larry Millete in the very heartbreaking case of Maya Millete. I appreciate you being here and watching with me. I'd like to hear your comments. And if you want to put this in context or missed any episodes or want to watch it from start to beginning, again, the playlist is mm-play list, capital M, capital M, hyphen, capital P, lowercase list. Please share the playlist with anyone who might be interested, especially if they're local in the San Diego or Southern California area, because the family would like answers and more eyes on this case would help them. And so with that, I will leave you to it and we'll see you at the next episode. Thanks again. Bye for now.